Welcome back, Fort Worth ISD students. It's Mrs. Jones here, your online music teacher. This week we are going to review so many of the activities that we have learned so far and sing so many fun songs. The first thing that we have is our voice warm up. Slow voice, fast voice. It's a lot of fun. And then we're going to revisit Grizzly Bear. A grizzly bear is sleeping in a cave. And how about that old gray cat? And Hush Up Baby. But don't forget one of my favorite songs, How I'm Feeling Today. Feeling today. Remember, when you want to get to the next slide, click that space bar. Let's click that space bar and get going. Let's warm up our voice.
Loud voice.
Loud voice.
Quiet voice.
Quiet voice.
Low voice.
Low voice.
High voice.
High voice.
Spooky voice.
Spooky voice.
Nice voice.
Nice voice.
Fast voice.
Fast voice.
Slow voice.
Slow voice.
Scary voice.
Scary voice.
Weird voice.
Weird voice.
Now click that space bar and let's sing Grizzly Bear.